Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add bullet points on LinkedIn. I was writing a LinkedIn post recently and realized how messy it looked as one big block of text. No one wants to read that, especially when people are scrolling fast. So I started adding bullet points to clean things up, and it makes a huge difference. The first way I do is pretty simple. I open a browser, search for a bullet point symbol, copy it, then paste it at the start of each line in my LinkedIn post. It's manual, but it works perfectly. If I want something faster, I use a LinkedIn text formatter tool. I paste my text there, apply bullet points in one click, then copy everything back into LinkedIn. Suddenly, the post looks way more organized and easier to read. Honestly, bullet points aren't just for style, they help people scan your content quickly and actually understand it. Let's be real, if your post is easier to read, people are way more likely to engage with it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.